Hey guys, welcome to another or my first unboxing video. Depends on whether or not my last one that I filmed goes over through the editing process, right? So if it doesn't, this is my first unboxing video and I am so excited. So as you can tell, the sound on my videos is absolute crud. Like flush down the toilet crud sound. So guess what I got? Boom! I didn't want to slam it down because I'm worried about breaking it. But due to COVID, I decided to take another semester away from the campus. I'm just doing online classes right now. And I figure, well, if I'm going to be talking and stuff, I'm going to need a good mic. And I also need a good mic for my videos. So I had enough excuses built up to treat myself. So I invested in a Blue Yeti. So let's just... Okay, I'm just going to have to put the camera back. I'm just going to tear into this. I ordered this off of Amazon, and the time when I got it, aside from the warranty price, it was like $99, which is a huge sale for these. Usually these are a lot more, and I've been keeping an eye out for good sales. Open! Open! Oh, wait a minute. That was way too aggressive. So let's see. So I've been seeing a lot of good reviews about the Blue Yeti. It's a mic that a lot of YouTubers use, and a lot of YouTubers, for some reason, they don't like to talk about their setup. It's like all secret, spooky. So I did a little bit of detective work myself. I would screenshot them when their microphone was on screen, zoom in to the logo, and then research what that logo was from there. And 9 times out of 10, it turned out to be a Blue Yeti mic. So, first half of this video is going to be filmed with absolute crap audio, and the second half of this video is going to be filmed with the mic being tested and plugged in. So let's see. Ooh, okay, it opens from this side. Oh, it's got that new microphone smell. All right, let's see. Oh, USB thing. Directions. I love it when they put in the directions. Ooh, and hieroglyphics too. Actually, it's just simple pictures, but I called it hieroglyphics because styrofoam. Yay! And oh, there it is. Can you see it? Okay. Gotta get this puppy out of here nice and easy. I swear, if this is broken in any way, I'm gonna throw a fit. Styrofoam. Styrofoam. Box is empty. Oh, Sorry, Tia. My dog's in here. Say hi, Tia. Yeah, my room's a bit of a mess. So, this is how it came packaged. What's this? Do not eat. Okay, I will not eat. Huh? Let's get some more light on this. So I'm going to get this set up. I'm going to pause the video and then I'll press play and then we'll see if there's a difference. Oh, we're rolling. Behold! So I actually went through a few test videos to test if I had the audio set up correctly before I finished the second half of this video. And I'm really liking what I'm hearing. I don't sound like I'm stuck inside a microwave anymore. So, yay! This is the Blue Yeti mic. I think I'm going to mess with the settings a bit more, see if I can get a better feel for it as the videos go on and as I stream more. But so far I'm really impressed with this, and this is a sturdy looking microphone. I mean, it's heavy. So, yeah, this is the, like I said, this is the Blue Yeti mic. Hopefully it's still on sale, so maybe you can grab one too if you're looking to upgrade on your audio. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to be creating all kinds of videos, just whichever comes to mind. So be sure to subscribe to see what I do next. This has been Sketch Sweets, and it's been sweet.